Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining me, you would have watched my review on the Maybelline Superstay Foundation, the full coverage 24-hour Superstay Foundation. That was my previous upload. So if you want to see how I got this flawless base, honey, then go a video back and watch that, and you will see this amazing flawless base. So now I am going to finish off my face, and I'm going to finish my face using just a blush. I said it. And to finish the rest of my face, I am going to use this kit from NYX Cosmetics, the Butt Naked Tan the Other Cheek, and I'm going to be using the highlighting and the highlight and the blush part of the palette. Now sadly mine's broke, so I'm a bit annoyed. But anyway, let's get straight into this tutorial. So for highlighter, I'm just going to take, I'm going to mix these two shades together, and I'm going to go in with my sponge because I'm not allowed to use a brush for this tutorial. So just going to highlight. Okay, this highlighter is very subtle. It doesn't do much, like seriously. Okay, let me go in with the light shade. Because this highlighter is so annoying. What are you eating? I need setting spray. My setting spray is finished. So like I said, we're taking the shade, using my finger, packing it on. That's actually a nice shade. And then I'm just gonna have to like sweep it up to kind of blend, because like, oh, that's actually nice and pretty. That's pretty. Okay. Oh, it's falling on me. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit more, and I am going to open up my eye blend. Oh, that's actually very pretty. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, because I cannot use a brush, I'm gonna go in with this glitter eyeliner, my favorite glitter eyeliner. I'm sure you guys have seen me using it, and I'm just going to give me a wing. I've actually never used this as a wing. I kind of feel like so now it's mascara time. I'm not in the mood to do a lash, but if you put a lash on, this is gonna look so bomb. With the excess, I'm just going to fix my brows. This is just a clear lip balm. I got this from Mr. Price, and I'm just applying this over my lips so it has something to stick to. Like, what is that? Okay. I'm gonna go back in with the pink shade in this palette. This is the one that doesn't have the shimmer in it. And I'm going to apply it on my lips. It's kind of giving me like this was easy, friend. Like, you thought I'm gonna suffer. I actually like this. Like, I actually like this. It's kind of very natural. It just looks like how a lip balm would look with if it had color in it. Wow. Oh my word. I think it's definitely gonna last. I wonder how long. And then just to add a bit of extra oomph to this look, because it's like dull, because all we have to use is eyeshadow. I'm gonna add some more glitter, but this time I'm gonna add it on my lips. So there's that extra oomph we were talking about. Definitely could be a festival type of theme, but if there's no festival, I'm going to just to give it some oomph. Okay, that is a wrap for today's tutorial. Doing my makeup with just eyeshadow and highlighter and without any brushes for my eyeshadow and my lips. And that was it. If you guys did enjoy the video, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, all of that jazz. I probably shouldn't say all of the jazz, but thanks for watching, you guys, and until next time, I'll see you tomorrow with my current makeup favorites video. Bye, darlings.